Okay, second derivative question here. So I'm going to start with y equals 3x to the 20. It's a fairly standard question, so fairly straightforward. So dy by dx is going to be 3 lots of the derivative of x to the 20, which is 20x to the 19. So you got 3 times 20, which is 60x to the 19. And then for my second derivative, I differentiate this again, which gives me 60 lots of 19x to the 18. So you just need to work out 60 times 19, which is 1140 x to the 19. And we're done on that one. Okay, part B. Given the following facts, find the values of A, B, and C. Okay, so we've got an expression for y. Now we know A, B, and C are constants, but we just don't know what they are. So let's just treat them like constants. So I can actually differentiate this expression. So if I differentiated ax to the 4th, well, if that's a number, let's say that was 5, it would be 5 times 4x cubed. If a was 7, it would be 7 times 4x cubed. So whatever it is, it's going to be a times 4x cubed. Okay, so that is going to be a times 4x cubed. I could write that as 4ax cubed. I'm deliberately not doing that for the time being. Plus, in a similar way, this one is going to be b times 3x squared, the derivative of x cubed. And then my plus c is going to disappear because when you differentiate a constant, it disappears. Okay. So you also know about the dy by dx. You know that dy by dx equals 12x cubed plus 6x squared. So this also has to equal 12x cubed plus 6x squared. So if we look at both sides, they have to match up. So this a lots of 4x cubed has to equal 12 lots of x cubed. This is called equating both sides. So if I equate the x cubed, then I have a times 4, or 4a lots of x cubes on the left. That has to match up with the 12x cubed I've got on the right. They have to be the same, which automatically tells us what a is, because we can solve that to get that a equals 3. Okay, if I look at my x squareds, when on the left-hand side, I got b times 3, so I got 3b lots of x squared. On the right, that has to match up with this, 6, which if I divide both sides by 3, tells me that b is 2. So I now have a and I have b. So all I have to do now is to look for c. So I haven't used this fact yet either. So I am going to go back to my y equals ax to the 4. So this is now going to be y equals 3x to the 4 plus b is going to be plus 2x cubed plus c. And I know that when x is 0, then my y is going to be negative 6. So if I put those in, so my x is 0, I can make that substitution in those. My y is going to be negative 6, so that substitution can go in as well. So I get negative 6 equals 3 lots of 0 to the 4 plus 2 lots of 0 cubed plus c. So that's negative 6 equals, well, 3 lots of 0 to the 4 and 2 lots of 0 cubed are both 0, so that's just c. So my a is 3, my b is 2, and my c is negative 6.